So to illustrate how you could find um, the information on value line for a popular stock like Apple, you would go to the UTC website, go to Library and Research, go to the UTC library, and this is a database. So I'll click on databases and then I click on this box, drop down box, and I scroll down to Value Line Research Center and I hit go. And for some reason my computer feels freaked out by this. So I'm going to say continue to this website and I'm going to hit it again so that it understands I really want to go. Browse research. And here, if you wanted to do a stock screener and get a list of stocks, like small cap stocks with above average yields, you could click on that and it would give you a list and their ticker symbols. If you wanted to, if this was your investment strategy, you could invest in these particular stocks. So from here, I'm going to go back to Browse Research, and I'm going to type in the Apple ticker symbol here. And then this gives me a page full of tons of information. Well, the price currently, as of May 26, 2015, was $130.64. And you can see the dividend yield, which says what percentage of that price is paid out in dividends per year, is 1.58%. That's a pretty normal type of dividend yield. They give their own rankings in terms of safety, timeliness, and financial strength. So they're going to be a very safe company. It's in terms of timeliness to invest, it has a good timeliness factor, which means this would be a good time to invest in it. And it has a good rating in terms of its financial strength. If I go down here, you can read the commentary about Apple, this is provided by an investment analyst. So if I click read more, I can read this person has to say. This is Justin Hellman on April 3rd, 2015 was the last time he wrote about this. You can see kind of at the end, he has this final conclusion. High quality Apple stock, now part of the prestigious Dow 30, is a timely selection. It should also provide investors with attractive risk adjusted returns through the 2018 to 2020 period. So it has a really good outlook. So this would definitely be a stock that, as part of a portfolio would be good to invest in. And then you could click on this and read all the continuous details that they have here. So if I close this, I go because I want to know what is the price projection. And it looks like that out to 2019, the price is projected to reach about $160 to $195. So that's an appreciation or capital gain of 25 to 55%, which is really good over that time period. And then you can see some extra financial type information down here. All kinds of information like sales, quarterly sales, how are they doing versus annual sales. If I clicked on this, this is a projection for 2016, so they expect to have even more sales. And you just can go down through each of these and look at tons and tons of information, including an industry analysis section, which helps you kind of get an idea of what's going on in Apple's industry. And you get some information on their capital structure in terms of their debt that they have. And you've got insider transactions, so you can see that apparently for some reason there's been this one guy, Arentz, which is this Angela, or maybe it's Angela Arentz, the senior vice president, has been selling a lot of shares. Doesn't mean that it's a bad deal. It just means that she apparently wants some money. She probably has a lot of money now. And then you've got a business description, a business history for the company, and just some other reports that you could look at. And so this is a really good tool for analyzing companies that's available to you as a UTC student for free, which this would be very expensive if you had to pay for it on your own. So that's just an example of how to look up a stock and get some more information about it.